035 431.
Okay.
Na riu mathie nginya nenda-ini ni mekuona Spark Camp.
Thank you muno. Nitwakena na Ngai akurathime tundu wa gwitikira.
Na marehe ciana tuciturature.
No nginya iturwo.
Cituraturwo. Na maundu mau mothe by the way twaririria wahu. Tukoragwo na muku tugakorwo na mo A to Z. Ni life skills. Ni miikarire. Ni guikarania na aciari, friendships. Kuhuthira nginya thimu ciao.
Maundu macio
mothe meku.
Ni ngatho.
Na gukena tono nginya magikene.
Asante sana. Thank you. Ni ngatho miradi wa Kameme TV ari muhako wakwa hari kaundu wa thoma. Kamwire ta homokete nditakire nyambe ngomenyithie the Unclaimed Financial Assets Authority onyitaneri na Kameme FM ni magakorwo na roadshow ya guthomithia maundu maige megie uria ungihota gucokia indo ciaku iria ciurite ona kana cia andu aria wendete. Wednesday ya tariki 19 mweri uyu wa November kuri Thursday orodomwe na Thursday tariki 20 na Friday tariki 21 na roadshow ino igakorwo ikihetukira matura ma Kirigiti, Kiambu Town, Duberi, Ting'ang'a, Ikino, Githunguri, kwa Michael, Auckland, Gatondo, Mangu, Goigwa, Thika Town, koguo theni makahetukira orodomwe na OJ, Ruiru Bypass, Kahawa Sukari, Githuraigia 45, Mwihoko, Ruiru Town, Mathiogo ginyagia Kibo, matwekanirie Juja, Weteithie, maingire thini wa town ya Thika, Makongeni, koguo ni ukahota kumenya maingi megie uria we ungihota gucokeria unclaimed shares, dormant bank account, insurance policies na maundu maige megie maige hatari marihi gutire kindu we uretio. Kiria ugeka no gukua gibande giaku gia gibururi na angikorwo ni indo cia mundu ungiciurite ukena death certificate yake, grant ona kana organization registration certificate. Ira murata waku ere murata ati ithuĩ nĩ tugakorwo tugiuka thĩinĩ wa matura maku guguteithĩrĩria kwa ihinda rĩrĩ. Tukwamba kuhumuka oro hanini tugicokereria tugukorwo na Madam Jane Geticha tukiarĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ mbeca na ũrĩa tũngĩhota gukorwo tugicigithia.
Kameme TV.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
Our future light on the African sky. When all the kingdoms fall, by the rise on the African sky. Great is Nairobi, this is the